Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video is another Facemask Friday video. So if you want to see what mask I use today and hear all the information, stay tuned. So this week me and Lori's collabing again. We collab every Friday, so you know we have such a fun time. And every month we switch off and do pick the themes. So this month Lori picked out the themes, and we were supposed to do a 4th of July inspired makeup look. I mean, not makeup look, sorry. Makeup look's on my mind. Mask. And I just decided to do with this, the color, because I didn't have, no themed mask. So I did blue for my celebration mask. So I used this laneige sleeping mask last night, and I'll put the clip after this clip or before this clip. I don't know. Might do it after this clip, and then I'll come back and tell you my thoughts on the mask. But this is what I used last night. It's a water sleeping mask. It's supposed to be hydrating, brighten, and soften. And a little goes a long way, so I still have this little sample size of this mask. So I decided to use that for my mask for last night. So the next couple will be me doing the mask, and then I'll come back and tell you my thoughts on it. So tonight I'm going to be using the Laneige water sleeping mask. It looks like this. I'm going to be using it for the Facemask Friday video that I'm doing. So I'm going to apply it with y'all over here, and then I will finish the intro and outro tomorrow when I wake up. So what I like to do is just dot this all over, even down my neck. And what I consider a sleeping mask is just a very good hydrating moisturizer. So what I usually do is just rub it to my skin, and then when I wake up in the morning, I will do my washing my face and all that stuff. But then after that, I will give y'all my thoughts on the mask. But I've tried this in the past and it's really good, and I really recommend this mask. It's a really good one. It's very hydrating on the skin, and I just love the glow that it gives my skin in the morning time. So I will link this down below for y'all if y'all do want to get it for yourself. And this little bottle lasts for a while because you don't need that much. Like I did, little dots everywhere, and it's already all over my face. So yeah, but this is the part where I'm applying the mask, because this is a sleeping mask. I want to do this part now, so hopefully y'all do enjoy it. So in the morning I will do the intro and outro, and then I will give you my thoughts on this mask, so stay tuned for that. So the mask last night, I really loved it. I tried this before, this mask, but I'll give you my thoughts on it just in case you forgot. I really love this mask. It makes my skin hydrated, softened in the morning. There's no residue on my face after the fact. My favorite part is it absorbs in your face and there's no residue on your pillows, like when you go to bed. But I do recommend wait a couple minutes before you go to sleep, just so it sneaks in a little bit. There's no scent. It's very hydrating. It's like a watery consistency, which I really like. And I love that there's no scent to it because I don't really do scents very well. And yeah, I really recommend this mask. And I consider a sleeping mask like a thick, hydrating moisturizer type thing. You just have to that's what I consider it as. Some masks they do have ones that look like a mask on, and then when you go to sleep, it changes colors and stuff like that. But this one's clear. It absorbs in the face. Is really good. I really like this brand. I think I have lip masks from this brand as well that I really like. And I think that's all the information I have for this mask. Let me know if you tried it. I will link it down below just in case you want to get it for yourself. And hopefully y'all enjoyed hearing my thoughts on it. Again, please go check out Lori's channel and show her some love and see what celebration mask she's doing today. And tell her I sent you if you're new to her. She'll really appreciate it. And since this video is a little short, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some goodies I got in a PR package. So I can't wait to show y'all it. So hope y'all do enjoy that part. So stay tuned for the unboxing. So I'm so excited about this PR package. It came from Flex Beauty, which is a small business. And I'll give you the more information after I unbox it. But I will link this stuff down below. But here's how it came. I was so excited that she wanted to send me some PR. And there is a cool thing coming. So make sure you do stay tuned to the end of this video so you can see. And I will be doing some swatches of some of the products. So the first package we got is this one right here. And there is some loose pigments. One is in deep black and one is in serpentant queen, if I'm saying that right. And then there's this liquid stuff over here on the side that you mix in with the pigment to make it like more like a liner. I can't wait to try those out. And then she put 2 bulk brushes in it. So that's really nice for her. She packages so well. I love the tissue paper. It has like a iridescent toy a little bit. And everything's packaged so well. I want to thank her so much. I really recommend you check out this small business. She makes everything herself. She is so kind and sweet, and I really love watching her content and seeing the other ladies that's in the group do their looks. So let's get on with the next item. So here's the next item in this double wrap, and it says, oh, this says do not open until July 18th. So I'm not gonna open this, but that is a sneak peek what's coming soon. So I'll put this back in there. So I love that she put that sticker on there. Cannot open that one yet. So let's get on the next one. Here's another bubble mailer or bubble wrap. This looks like some loose pigments. Or no, shadows, not loose. I love the little envelope she puts everything in. So let's open this and see. I love that she gives everything is like a themed. So, ooh, this is pretty. Here's the first shade. Hopefully y'all can see it. Good. It is MC1339. And it's like a green color. Like it shifts. I can't wait to do swatches. I will do swatches in this video. There's this gold shade right here. It's an EG07. Then we got this like white shimmer. Looks like. This is an ES15. And if y'all can't see them that good in this video clip right here, I will be doing it up close, like doing the swatches and stuff, so stay tuned for that. Then the last shade is an ES60. These are cool shades. They do look really cool. And I love the little packaging she gets them. I'm keeping these because they are really cute, and I love the holographic. So let's get on with the next item. So the next item looks like it's a necklace, I think. Yeah, it's a little snake necklace. Here's what it looks like. So it's one of those that like can morph any way you want to on your neck. It's like that type. I don't know how well you're gonna see it, but I'll take its little head out of the package so you can see it good without the glare. Here's what he looks like. So cute. And the little tail. That is super cute. I love those necklaces. Look really cool because you could do any way you want. You know, you could also put it like on your head if you wanted to. Any way you want to. And another thing she put in here is a little stencil, which I was so excited because I didn't know how I was going to do a snake print. But I love that she put this little stencil in here so you can put it on your face or wherever you want to and put a good like snake print on your face. So that was so kind of her. And there's like little stars in here that's 4th of July, which is really cute. See if there's anything else. I don't see nothing else. I'm just checking before I do the last product. Okay, there's no more items in here. Let me put all the confetti up. So let's get on with the last item in this box. So the last item came like this, super cute packaging. Every time I see green and black, I think of Slytherin House or Buttercup from Powerpuff Girls. I don't want to open this. She packaged it so well. Let me know if y'all are like that. If y'all like hate, like kind of like destroying packaging. I might keep this little string. Wouldn't this be cool, like a neck piece? That might be a good idea to use it. Here's what it looks like. So this is called the Cold Hearted Snake by Flex Beauty. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to open it. So she makes all her packaging herself. Let's see if I can open this without destroying the box. Which is so amazing that she does do everything herself. I really love the brand. She does amazing work. So here's what the packaging looks like. And she makes these stickers herself too. So these are the shades that we got. Those single ones I showed. That you put in this palette, if I can get it open. Can I open it? So I will be putting these in the palette. So give me a minute. Let me open this. I'll put the shades in the palette and then I'll show you what it looks like all in the palette. And before I go, it is a Z palette, I'm thinking. So you can move them around and stuff like that. There's a magnet in it. So just want to let you know that's what she kind of does with her palettes. So I got it open and all the shades open. Now how this works is there's little circle packaging and there is this gold like sticker around it and you just peel this off and then get the shade out. Then you just pop it in the palette. So here's what my palette looks like. And you can move them around if you want to. Make anything you want to, and there's a magnet on that makes them stay. These shades look so cool looking. And I cannot wait to play with them. Again, there will be an up close of the swatches. Because I feel like doing it up close, you can see the shades better. So that's what I'm going to do. And then this little package, I'll open up to show y'all. So here's what the little liquid looks like. And how the liquid works, you just put it on like the back of your hand, like 2 or 3 drops with the shadow, and then mix it in to make it look like a liner. So hopefully I can open these to swatch it. And I do not want to make a mess. I think these might be loose, so I'm afraid to open them if they are loose. But here's what the little packaging looks like. And then the names on the back. And then you just put like, I recommend like, I know some ladies that has gotten Flex Beauty before, they will put it in the lid of this to mix it in there. So you can use like this black shadow. Let me show y'all. Hopefully I can see it as like an angle. The black shadow like as a liner. I think I might use that as a liner or like the lines between the snake scales. See if I can open the second one. Ooh, this is pretty. Try not to tip it over, so hopefully y'all can see this. If not, if y'all can't see it that good, because I'm trying not to dip it to tump it, there will be close-ups of it. And then, sorry, my cat's trying to get in the bag. And then the little brushes. So this is what the little brushes look like. These are so cool looking, and I can't wait to play around with it. It's my first time doing like a liquid product. So yeah, that'll be it. The next clip will be me swatching it, and then we'll be done with this video. So I hope y'all did enjoy it. So let's get on with that. So I forgot to mention that this is going to be a TikTok live on the 18th for Flex Beauty. I'm going to be joining. I'm so excited. This will be like my first ever live group for TikTok because I did a live by itself one time, but I haven't done lives a lot. So I'm so excited. This is going to be like a snake themed competition. We have to use all the products in the box and do our snake inspired look. I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to see the other ladies joining on this live, and hopefully I'm good at it. I'm not really, I don't do lives a lot on TikTok, but hopefully it's easy to do and stuff like that. So please do go join over there on July 18th at, let me look at the thing. So if you're on PST, it's 5 p.m. If you're on MST, it's 6 p.m. If you're at CST, it's 7 p.m. And if you're at EST, you're at 8 p.m. So those are all the times, so please stop by and join in on those days. I will be putting a little thing on my community tab so y'all can stop by and check out the live. So hopefully I'll see you there. So if you got this far in the video and you enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you thought of this unboxing video. And let me know what your item was your favorite to be shot in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see what shot in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section and show them some love. They will really appreciate it. They'll be YouTubers as well as subscribers. So please do go check them out. I started doing this on my channel, so thank you to all the unicorns who do watch my videos in full. It really means the world to me. And it's a way for you to know you unicorns know who's all in the family. So again, if you do want to be shout out, please answer that question. If you don't want to answer the question, just say you watched it full and you'll also be shouted in the next video also uploaded on my channel. So I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for Facemask Friday just in case you want to watch past videos me and Lori have done. We do this every Friday. This is an open collab. Anyone can join in. All you have to do is tag me or Lori in your first video and put the hashtag Facemask Friday in your title of your video. So you can go check it out and show us love. And please, unicorns, go check out Lori's channel and see what mask she's doing today and show her some love and tell her I sent you if you're new to her. She'll really appreciate that. And the last thing I want to talk about is my merch shop. My merch shop has some summer designs on there, so please go shop on there. There is 4th of July merch as well, but it might not come in time before 4th of July. But there's there for y'all just in case y'all do want to shop on there. So please do. All the money I make will go back to my channel, so you know. And yeah, so I really do want to see unicorns shop on there and tag me in your videos or post if you do get any of my merch. And now I think that is it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of this unboxing while masking. Well, I wasn't masking. Well, I told you what mask I used last night. I'll let you know your thoughts on it. Let me know if you enjoy seeing Facemask Friday each week. And lastly, let me know if you're going to join in on the TikTok live stream that I do for the 18th. I'd love to see you there. And if any changes happen, like if I can't do it or anything like that, I will let you know in the community tab. Fingers crossed I can and nothing comes up, but I'll let them know if it does come up. And there might be just a video itself if it does happen where I cannot join. But I'd like to see y'all unicorns there join in on the TikTok live because it'll be my very first TikTok live with other people. I'm so excited about it, so I'd love to see y'all there. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.